Chances are one or more of your data center servers will be used to share out files and folders. If you make use of Linux in that data center, the likelihood of Samba being the underlying technology for sharing out that data is fairly high. Should those Linux servers include a GUI, you don't have to worry about configuring those Samba shares by hand. Why? Because there's a very handy GUI tool that makes this process so much easier. Although I do recommend every administrator understand how to create shares via the etc samba smb.conf file, having a GUI tool for that purpose brings a level of efficiency to the task you might need, especially when you're dealing with a large data center and a lot of shares. I want to walk you through the process of installing and using one such GUI. Said tool is system-config-samba. This tool is available for most Linux distributions. I will be demonstrating the installation process on Ubuntu Linux. Once installed, the process for using the tool is the same regardless of distribution. With this tool installed, you'll be sharing out your Linux server directories to Windows and Mac OS machines with ease. The installation of system-config-samba is quite simple. Open up a terminal and issue the following command: sudo space apt space install space system-config-samba. Now issue the command sudo space touch space /etc/libuser.conf. To start the tool, issue the command sudo space system-config-samba. To create a new share, click the plus button. In the resulting window, either type in the path to the directory to be shared or click the browse button and locate the directory. Next, give the share a name, a description, and select if the share is writable and/or visible. Click the Access tab and define who has access to the share. If you see no users listed, that means no users have been added to Samba. Back at the main system-config-samba window, click Preferences, Samba Users. In the resulting window, select the user from the drop-down. Type a Windows username, type confirm a password, and then click OK. At this point, the user will now be available in the Access tab for a share. You can select the user to give them access to the newly created share. Sharing out directories with Samba doesn't get much easier. If you've been struggling with getting Samba shares to work, give this handy GUI tool a try and see if it doesn't solve your problems.